In this BorderConnect tutorial, I'll show you how to create and manage insurance policies for your company. An insurance policy is a type of coverage for your company if accidents occur and can be assigned to trucks in your fleet in BorderConnect. It's a requirement to assign an insurance policy to your truck profile if you will be hauling hazardous goods on your eManifest destined to the US. To learn how to create a hazardous goods profile in BorderConnect for your eManifest, click the link at the top of the video now for a step-by-step tutorial. Once you're logged into BorderConnect, to create a new insurance policy, hover over eManifests and click Insurance Policies. This will bring you to the Insurance Policies list page, where you can see a list of insurance policies entered into the system. Here, you can also manage your insurance policies, edit them, and delete them if they have expired. Now, to create a new policy, click New Insurance Policy at the top of the page. First, from the top, enter the legal name of the insurance company. Then, below, enter the policy number. Next, enter the issue date of the policy and the full policy amount your insurance is covered for. Once you've verified all the insurance info and it's correct, click Save at the top. This will bring you back to the Insurance Policies list page, where you can see that your new insurance policy has been added to the system and is now ready to be used. Now, to add this insurance policy to a truck so it can then be used to haul hazardous goods into the US, hover over Manage Data at the top and click Search Trucks, and it'll bring you to a list of your trucks entered in BorderConnect. If you'd like to add an insurance policy to a specific truck, just hover over the three dots on the right-hand side of that truck and then click Edit. Then, once you're on the Edit Truck page, just go down to the Insurance Policy field and click it to select the insurance policy you'd like to add to the truck. And as you can see, here's the insurance policy we just added, so just click it to add it to the truck. Then, click Save on the top right. Now, the next time you're hauling hazardous goods into the US, be sure to use this truck or another truck that has a valid insurance policy in its profile if you want to be able to successfully submit your eManifest to CBP.
Hi, I hope you enjoyed this video and found it helpful. Subscribe below for more videos like this, or sign up to BorderConnect for a free 45-day trial using special promo code EASY45. Thanks for watching.